we are bombarding these young ones with what is in our mind. In fact, the mind of a few. And then we are making the parents and everybody else think like we know what we are telling these young ones to do, that this is the path they have to take and they must take it now. But we are ill prepared for that. Even things, the very basics we should have done correctly are not being done. As we speak now, I mean, you just do a spot check and go. The few that have constructed what they call laboratories are empty halls, like the community social halls.
Yeah, with no equipment
What makes it be called a laboratory is because
of the equipment.
No, according to them, that's a laboratory. But I'm telling you, what makes it be called a laboratory is because it was decided that they'll be constructing some laboratories. So, you know, those kind of gaps.